AOOSTAR MACO Ryzen 9 8945HS Revue. OCuLink Mini PC that delivers desktop power. You're staring at your desk, cluttered with a massive tower, cables everywhere, and no room left to breathe. A designer told me she couldn't even fit her drawing tablet because her desktop dominated the entire workspace. That constant battle between needing power and wanting space just drains your energy. Your setup shouldn't control your life. It's exhausting. Ever feel trapped by your own hardware? Every day the stress mounts, the mental fog from managing a bulky system, the quiet burnout from accepting compromise after compromise, the wasted hours trying to make portability and performance coexist, it all steals your momentum. A developer I know nearly missed a critical deadline because he couldn't bring his workstation to a client site. But there's a clearer path forward, one that doesn't sacrifice anything. Enter the AOOSTAR MACO AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS Mini PC, and everything changes. Don't just pick any mini PC. Make sure it has OCuLink connectivity and dual USB 4 ports so you never experience the graphics bottleneck and expansion limits everyone hates again. This thing packs 8 cores, 16 threads boosting to 5.2 GHz, preloaded with 32 GB DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, ready to run the moment you unbox it. The Radeon 780M integrated graphics handle 1080p gaming and creative workloads beautifully on their own. But here's where it gets interesting. The OCuLink port delivers true PCIe 4.0 bandwidth to an external GPU, unlocking desktop-class gaming and rendering with 90% of native performance, far beyond what Thunderbolt can achieve. A video editor told me she was hours from missing a client deadline when the MACO's eGPU setup let her finish her 4K edit smoothly on location. You get quad display support, dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet for networking pros, Wi-Fi 6, and a premium aluminum build that fits behind a monitor. And here's the bonus: it weighs less than 2 pounds and travels anywhere. This is the mini PC that refuses to compromise. Imagine 6 months from now, your desk stays clean, your workflow stays smooth, and your system stays silent. The AOOSTAR MACO makes that real by combining desktop power with laptop portability in a form factor that actually fits your life. One tech reviewer tested it and said the Ryzen 9 8945HS delivered Cinebench scores competitive with full-size gaming laptops. It's genuinely flagship silicon in a tiny package. A home lab enthusiast mentioned running 6 Proxmox VMs simultaneously with headroom to spare, drawing only 20 to 28 watts at the wall. The OCuLink eGPU support transforms it from a capable daily driver into a serious gaming rig when you need it. Just plug in a desktop GPU and you're running AAA titles at high settings. The dual 2.5 gig eLAN opens up networking and server applications most mini PCs can't touch. You might be thinking, OCuLink sounds complicated, but setup takes minutes. Connect the cable, boot up, and it just works. Do you ever wonder if one device could handle AI development, content creation, gaming, and server tasks all at once? This does exactly that. Users across forums, YouTube reviews, and tech communities consistently report the same transformation. See why so many professionals refuse to work without it now. The performance truly speaks for itself. The AOOSTAR MACO AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS Mini PC isn't just another box, it's the compact powerhouse that adapts to your needs. Join the many creators, developers, and gamers already experiencing desktop performance without desktop compromises. Your workspace deserves to breathe, and your workflow deserves real power. Results may vary based on your specific configuration and peripherals, but the upgrade speaks for itself. Check the link in the description or pinned comment below. Experience what OCuLink-equipped Mini PC performance feels like today. Your desk is waiting.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.